you come into the team, first thing you should know is who occupies which seat. You can't explain how it goes in a test cricket. We never got a chance to play under MS Dhoni, so just to see how he goes about his cricket and his life. Muscles, Brian McMillan from South Africa, he felt me. He couldn't find anything. So he said, oh, muscles, you're full of muscles. Paradise has stuck with everybody because Hyderabad is known for biryani. Attacking, wicket-taking ability and be willing to get hit. This is the first time I've been sitting in the comfort level inside, and then all the gadgets I've been saying is brilliant, and for a crowded city, it's an ideal car because it's easy to park and then no noise. I think both travel the same way. You're traveling in your career and then the car takes you wherever you want. We have watched a lot of IPL matches but was never close to a trophy. It's been an amazing experience.